While we hope that you have a seamless RStudio Cloud experience, occasionally things might not work as intended. Sometimes when we're working on a project, it may fail to load or become unresponsive. When this happens, we can relaunch the project by clicking on the three dots inside a circle to the left of the settings icon at the top of our project. Choosing the third option from this menu will relaunch our project. If this doesn't solve your issue, you can check to see if there are any broader issues with RStudio Cloud. To do this, expand the menu on the left to expose the Current System Status option in the Help menu. Clicking this will tell us if RStudio Cloud is running as intended. If RStudio Cloud is operational and you are still running into issues, you may choose to post on our community forum or reach out to RStudio's technical support team.